Yo, what's up guys? So today I'll be reviewing Rayhan Pacific. Let's go. So let's talk about the scent of Rayhan Pacific. One thing I can say or describe the scent of Rayhan Pacific, amoy bubblegum na color green. I forgot anong brand, basta ganun yung amoy ni Rayhan Pacific. Talagang wala na akong madidescribe pa kundi amoy bubblegum talaga tong Rayhan Pacific. Yes, it does have the Invictus DNA, pero super sweet siya at talagang bubblegum talaga yung amoy niya, guys. So disclaimer lang again, I don't have the OG Invictus since Rayhan Pacific is said to have a DNA ng isang Invictus, but i-compare ko na lang siya with the HSI Invictus. All I can say is that Rayhan Pacific is more focused on being sweet like bubblegum scent. Elsewhere, HSI Invictus take is less yung kanyang pagka-sweet. It's more on balance yung sweetness, yung pagka-bubblegummy niya. It mostly focus on being aromatic as well as yung kanyang pagka-green na scent. Talagang may difference yung Rayhan Pacific with the Invictus na DNA or HSI Invictus. Actually, this one on air, it's comparable with the scent or air scent ng isang Hawas Ice. Share ko lang because my friend has Hawas Ice and this one, same na sila sa air. Sa air lang hanat on the skin. But let's talk about now the performance of Rayhan Pacific. Hi. I don't know if ako lang talaga, pero I was actually kind of disappointed with the performance of this. I don't know. Kasi maybe I expect too much. Performance niya, longevity, it only lasted maximum lang to guys, maximum 3 hours. As in, maximum na yan. I don't know if normal what to with Rayhan Pacific, pero 3 hours lang to tumagal on my skin as well as a clothes. So, I don't know if normal ba talaga yan. For its projection, it does give off naman moderate to above average projection, pero yung oh my gosh, longevity lang talaga. Super pangit ito. Ay, parang namimiss ko na talaga yung Fakhar ko compare dito. Parang I think I lost na naman sa isang trade-off. Damn. Well, anyway, for Sillage, it does leave off a central kasi in-spray ko nito sa room ko and then abot pa daw kinamama na room, pero yun nga, longevity 3 hours, projection above average to moderate. Sillage, it does leave a Sillage din naman, pero longevity talaga guys, longevity. So, is Rayhan Pacific worth it to be bought or blind bought? So, if you like Hawas DNA, Invictus DNA, same lang sila, you can probably enjoy the scent of Rayhan Pacific. Pero if you want something na medyo matagal sa skin mo, just go with Hawas or Hawas Ice. Talagang waste of money lang for like how much ito ngayon? 900 plus or 800? Definitely not worth buying. So, just move on. Go with Rasasi Hawas Ice or Rasasi Hawas compare with Rayhan. But, this is solely based in my experience. Depende pa na gyapon sa inyo kung ano yung background. Okay?